Hey, thanks for coming and watching this video. This is Beat the Prop Firm, and just to get the disclaimer out of the way first, everything that we're showing here is for 100% educational purposes. No financial advice. If you're looking at any of our levels and you're trading them, trade it at your own risk and do not use money that you can't afford to lose. All right. So now that we got that out of the way, let's take a look at what happened or what we talked about last night. We talked about that first level of support being around 17,413, which actually got hit. All right, so this got hit today. All right, and then the second level of support, which is, I have the video right here, also got hit. All right, and this is 17,597. All right, so take a look at that and we'll see how it comes down. It's a long video, it's 36 minutes, but I'll just kind of fast forward it and we'll get to the point where I get stopped out. I wasn't able to get the full profit of 2380 because I trailed my stop. Eventually it got down there, right? So if I bring this image up here, right, you can see it eventually got down there. Here's the level, 17,596, right? But it was choppy all the way down. Right, you can see this. It's not giving you anything easy. It's going against you, and I was up and down. Negative from negative 800 down to positive, 1100. So, by the way, we're trading prop firms. So, if you're interested in something like that, we do that every day in our Discord. All right, so let's start the video. You can see I start out in the negative, right, and it goes against me. And then eventually it comes, I get up about $500, and it's just really choppy just from the image that I showed you, right? In the end, you see it went down and hit our support level that we called last night, right? Just kind of fast forward it here. It's 140, negative 140. We're up positive 400, probably 500 once you get to the point of right here, right? You can see we keep going and it just keeps pulling back, right? Never gives you anything easy, right? Makes new lows and it pulls right back, right? Get excited. And then, we're up 560, almost 600. And then it just torpedoes back up to the top, right? I knew this level here and this dotted line level that we use, right? This is a pretty strong level and it comes all the way back to that level, but it never crosses. Hence, you see my stop loss is just above that because I know if it's going to come above that, there's usually news or something big that makes it go above that level. All right. So I have my stop right there. But at any time I could have got out here and so can you, right? If you're up $300-400, you can take that trade and be happy with it, right? You're better off doing that anyway. Trading prop firm, a lot of them have this rule where you can't do more than 30% or 50%, right? So it kind of pays just to take the money, right around $500 and finish out the trading day, right? Nevertheless, let's just watch the video. You can see it comes up, right? Hits my moving average. I'm actually down 560 now, so it's a $1,000 swing. And you can see I'm starting to go into the negative even more. And it's just making it real difficult on me, right? Not giving an inch, taking out all the weak hands, right? But because I know where I believe it's going to go, I hold on. You can see it touches that level that I talked about earlier, and it wicks it, and then it's probably going to reverse somewhere around here, right? And there you start seeing the candle come down hard, it comes down really hard and I'm up 1200. All right, I'm up 1400, 1500, and it starts wicking again. Right. I move it down right here, take profit around 1140. I could have took it at 1800, didn't. Right. And I just got things to do, so I couldn't sit here all day. Right. But that's the thing, you know, if you're a retail trader, you always got something to do, whether it's work or doing whatever, right? Nobody can sit here in front of the computer the whole day and just watch this thing. But the idea of our group is we give you these levels, and we have intraday levels also here, right? And it, you know, that really works well with what we do. These levels are proprietary levels. Nobody else knows about them, right? They're not even, I wouldn't even call them institutional levels, right? Like everybody else calls them. They're not that. I came up with that, the levels, and it just happened to be super accurate. All right, so here's a following video, right? Or you can kind of see it. Oh, well, let's open this up in VLC. All right, so here's the second trade after I got stopped out with 1140. I'm still trying to get to that down here for 1,000. Like I said, eventually it gets down there, but I'm just running late for an appointment. And I got to head out. So you can see here again, 2-to-1, but I don't get that 2-to-1. I'm running short on time here, and you'll see it start bouncing around like it's been doing, right? Okay, it starts moving in my direction, and then moves against me, right? It's just, if you don't have these levels that I'm talking about, it makes trading the NQ super frustrating, right? But when you know where it's going to go, you're just basically waiting for it. All right, I'm up 400 here, 500, right? We just took those two trades. It would have been up 1,800 plus 500. It's 2,300. I could have just left, but I didn't. You can see comes back again, right? And just getting frustrated, and I'm just saying the heck with it. I'm just gonna take. If I get 300, I'm just gonna take it. You see, I have 330 around there. Comes back down. Slash is 300, 330, and I'll just take it from there. It ended up being 400. But that's the end of the video. Right, those are the two videos that I have. So the support levels that I talked about last night hit, 2 support levels hit, and these videos are that last support level. I actually got 2 trades out of it for a total of $1,500. All right, so if you're interested, you know, there should be a link there to purchase the course, and you get 6 months free access to my Discord, right? And we're all using prop accounts, so that's something that, you know, that is kind of new today. So if you're interested in trading prop accounts, get in, join the Discord, purchase a course, and figure out how to, you know, see all this stuff. Again, the paid levels are totally different than what you see on YouTube. Much more detailed, you know, than the levels that I show on YouTube. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you.